Well, I just published a peer-reviewed article where 3,256 people report improvements in 28 different conditions when they switch to non-GMO and organic diets. I speak at medical conferences regularly, and there's thousands of doctors prescribing non-GMO diets, and they're reporting the same improvements. Now, it's interesting that the areas that people report improvements from are also getting better in pets and livestock put on non-GMO feed. There are also the problems that afflict the animals in laboratories that are exposed to GMOs and Roundup. And they're the same diseases on the rise in the US population, rising in parallel with the increased use of GMOs and the Roundup sprayed on them. 85% of the people who said they got better from something got better from digestive disorders. The next was fatigue, then obesity, then brain fog, then anxiety and depression. And if you look at the modes of action of Roundup and glyphosate, you would predict these type of changes.
Despite the several voices warning about the potential health and environmental risks associated with genetically modified food, they have become increasingly common in the food supply. Many processed foods contain ingredients derived from genetically modified crops, such as corn, soybeans, and sugar beets. It is estimated that up to 80% of packaged foods in the United States contain GMO.
This is not about carbon emission. It's about trying to have a monopoly on science for another super control so that you can determine who gets to eat food.
Cows and other grass-eating species have a digestion system that emits methane. And methane is a very powerful greenhouse gas. And so cows alone account for about 6% of global emissions. And so we need to change cows. One that has gone better than I would have expected 5 years ago is this work to make what's called artificial meat. And so you have people like Impossible or Beyond Meat, both of which I invested in.
You eat it as well, and you like it?
Absolutely.
You do.
You can go to Burger King and buy the Impossible Burger.
All right, is it healthier for you or just healthier for the atmosphere?
It's slightly healthier for you.
Mr. Gates wants to change everything in order to have just a few commodity crops to then feed artificial food. Come back to this book. So Mr. Gates is the one who's really pushing lab food. And since food is the cycle of life, and we now know most chronic diseases are caused because we didn't take care of the quality of the food, and we allowed our gut microbiome to be attacked. You know, every sensible doctor is talking about the gut microbiome. You can't cheat 100 trillion of our fellow beings. And new data is coming out to show that chemically grown food has lost 70 to 80% of its nutrition. It's nutritionally empty mass. It's not food anymore.